Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick Facebook tutorial video. Today I will show you how to fix the Facebook 6-digit verification code not received issue on an Android phone. So alright, if I pretend that I have forgotten my password and I could not log in, and if I click on forget password on the Facebook application and it did not send me any 6-digit code to my phone number or my email address. So now I want to fix this issue. So what I will do is that I will go to settings, and here I have to scroll down and click on app, and then in the app settings you have to search for Facebook. And once you are on the Facebook page, you simply have to click on storage and cache. Here you have to clear all the cache and all the storage for Facebook, and once you have cleared all the cache and data, you simply have to go back and go to the permissions, and here you have to make sure that all of the permissions are allowed to Facebook. None of the permissions should not be denied. And once you have allowed all the permissions to the Facebook, your issue will be resolved. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.